And welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about the importance of having anti-spyware software, Malwarebytes, System Ninja, and I'm also going to cover the importance of Windows updates. It's important to have antivirus because it protects your computer while you're online on Facebook or doing online shopping. Malwarebytes is to keep your computer safe from spyware and malware. And System Ninja is used to keep your machine running fast because as you use your computer over the time, temporary system files build up. So I'll show you where these pieces of software can be downloaded from. So just type in Avast here. And for this demonstration, I'm using the Firefox browser. So you click here on Avast. And then you scroll down and click here on download free protection, and then it will download then on the computer, and I'll show you where the files then get downloaded to. Now we'll have a look at Malwarebytes. Then you just click on malwarebytes.com, and then you click here on free download. And now I'll show you where you can download System Ninja. And then you just click here, and then you just click here on the download button. And I will show you now where these files go to once they're downloaded. So you click on My Documents, and then you click on the Downloads folder, and in here is where everything that gets downloaded from Firefox comes to this folder by default. So now I'll show you how to open these pieces of software. So you click here on this arrow, and then you right click on Avast, and you click Open Avast User Interface. So right now it'll just take a minute to load, bear with me. So then to do updates, click on this arrow again, right click, and then just go update engine and virus definitions. I'm not going to click on it because my antivirus is already up to date. Now to open Malwarebytes, you click this button again, or sorry, now we just actually just click on Malwarebytes here. Okay, so it might take a minute to load. So if it doesn't load, just try checking here. Sorry, now we'll just click on it again. Okay, so it's just opening just a little slow, but bear with it. And then, so you can see here now it's open. And then to check this for updates, you just click this button here. and then you just go then check for updates. As mine is already up to date, there's no need to update. And then to launch a system ninja, you click on it here, and then if prompted, click the yes button. And then what you do then is you click the scan for junk button, and you might get a tick box. So if a tick box comes up, just make sure you click on the C drive and then click scan for junk. And after it's finished scanning, then you'll hit delete files, and if it prompts you to restart your computer, do. Now I'm going to show you how to do Windows updates. So what you do is you right click on the start button, and you go to settings, and then you click Windows Update and Security, and then so we'll just press it here quickly. So it'll take a minute to load, but anyway, once that's fully loaded, it'll start checking for updates then automatically. So I'll do these downloads here myself in my own time. I won't do them now. And another thing I want to show you as well to update is the Windows Store. It's very important as well to keep these apps up to date because it keeps your machine secure while you're online. So it'll take a minute to load. So then to check for updates, you click on this button here. There like looks like three dots, and then you click on downloads and updates. So I'm going to leave it there for this video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.